Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Leviton Smart Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter represents a significant shift in how residential electrical safety is managed and monitored within the modern home. This specific model, the D2GF2KW, is a 20-amp device designed to provide both local protection and remote awareness through integrated wireless connectivity. While traditional ground fault circuit interrupters have been a staple of building codes for decades, this version introduces digital logic and communication capabilities that bridge the gap between essential life safety hardware and the growing ecosystem of connected home devices. The core function remains the same as any standard safety outlet, which is to monitor the flow of electricity and quickly disconnect power if an imbalance is detected, but the addition of smart technology changes the utility of the device from a passive protector to an active reporting tool. At a price point of approximately $40, this unit sits at the higher end of the outlet market, reflecting its specialized hardware and the software infrastructure required to support its remote features. The build and design of the Leviton Smart Gfci follow the standard Decora form factor, ensuring it fits into most modern wall plates and electrical boxes. Despite the complexity of the internal electronics, the physical dimensions remain manageable for standard installation. The exterior is finished in a clean white polycarbonate that is designed to withstand the typical wear and tear of a household environment. One of the most critical design elements is the inclusion of tamper-resistant shutters. These internal mechanisms prevent the insertion of foreign objects like hairpins or keys into the slots, which is a vital safety feature in homes with children. The face of the outlet features a small but visible LED indicator light which serves as a status beacon. A green light typically indicates the device is powered and functioning correctly, while a red light signals a trip or an internal fault. The buttons for test and reset are tactile and clearly marked, allowing for manual interaction when necessary. Because this is a 20-amp rated device, the face features the characteristic T-slot on the neutral side, signifying its capability to handle higher current loads compared to standard 15-amp outlets. This robust construction is supported by a deeper internal housing that contains the Wi-Fi radio and the microprocessor responsible for the self-testing cycles and notification logic. The performance of the Leviton Smart Gfci is centered around its ability to distinguish between a genuine electrical hazard and the routine electronic noise generated by modern appliances. This model is specifically engineered with improved immunity to high-frequency interference. Many contemporary electronics, such as variable speed motors in washing machines or sophisticated power supplies in computers, can sometimes create high-frequency signatures that trick older safety outlets into tripping unnecessarily. This phenomenon, known as nuisance tripping, is a significant frustration in modern homes. The D2GF2KW addresses this by using advanced filtering and sensing algorithms that ensure the circuit only breaks when an actual ground fault is present. Beyond its sensing capabilities, the device performs a self-test every 60 seconds. This is an automated internal check to ensure that the ground fault protection is actually functional. If the internal test finds that the protection is compromised, the device can automatically trip itself or signal a failure. The addition of Wi-Fi connectivity allows these events to be communicated to a smartphone. When a trip occurs, the device sends a signal through the local network to a cloud service, which then pushes a notification to a connected mobile application. This provides immediate awareness of power loss at that specific outlet, which is a level of insight that traditional outlets simply cannot provide. The importance of this performance profile cannot be overstated when considering the protection of expensive equipment and the prevention of property damage. If an outlet in a basement trips and it happens to be the one powering a sump pump or a secondary freezer, the occupants of the home might not realize there is an issue until it is too late. By providing a direct notification to a smartphone, this smart outlet ensures that power interruptions are noticed immediately, regardless of where the person is located. This feature relies on a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and does not require a separate smart home hub, which simplifies the setup process. The device effectively acts as its own gateway to the internet, providing a reliable link between the physical electrical state of the home and the digital management of the household. This specific 20-amp model is best suited for locations where high-draw appliances are located or where electrical codes specifically mandate 20-amp circuits. This includes kitchens, where heavy-duty small appliances like high-end blenders or coffee makers are common, as well as garages and utility rooms where power tools or large appliances reside. It is particularly valuable for seasonal properties or vacation homes where a tripped circuit could lead to significant issues like frozen pipes or spoiled food if left unaddressed for weeks. For those who manage multiple properties, having a centralized way to monitor the status of critical circuits offers a layer of security that traditional maintenance checks cannot match. It is also an ideal choice for households that have experienced recurring nuisance tripping with older Gfci outlets, as the enhanced high-frequency immunity can solve those persistent headaches without compromising on safety. While a standard 15-amp outlet is sufficient for many general-purpose areas, the 20-amp capacity of the D2GF2kW provides the headroom necessary for more demanding electrical environments. The decision to integrate smart technology into a fundamental safety device like a Gfci outlet is a balanced trade-off between convenience and cost. For a standard bedroom or living room, the features of a smart Gfci might be considered overkill. However, in the context of a modern kitchen or a critical utility area, the value of instant information becomes much more apparent. The hardware is designed to be an upgrade over previous Audible alarm models, replacing a simple beep with a sophisticated digital alert system. It is important to note that the device requires a neutral wire for installation, which is standard in most homes built in the last few decades but may be a consideration for those living in much older structures. The dependence on a Wi-Fi connection means that if the home internet goes down, the remote notification feature will be temporarily unavailable, though the local safety functions of the Gfci will continue to operate exactly like a traditional outlet. Ultimately, the Leviton Smart Gfci D2GF2kW is a specialized tool designed for a specific set of needs. It prioritizes the reduction of false trips while maximizing the visibility of genuine power issues. It serves as a bridge between traditional electrical engineering and contemporary smart home expectations. By automating the safety testing process and providing a clear line of communication between the wall outlet and the homeowner, it addresses many of the invisible risks associated with residential power. While the initial investment is higher than a non-connected alternative, the potential to avoid costly damage from undetected power loss provides a compelling argument for its use in critical locations. It is a thoughtful evolution of a safety standard, maintaining the core protective requirements of the National Electrical Code while adding the benefits of modern connectivity. The result is a device that feels both familiar in its physical installation and revolutionary in its ability to keep the inhabitants of a home informed about the status of their electrical system. As homes continue to become more reliant on sensitive electronics and as homeowners spend more time managing their lives through digital interfaces, products like this reflect the natural progression of home infrastructure. It offers a balanced approach to safety, combining proven mechanical protection with the intelligent oversight that is becoming a hallmark of the modern dwelling. Through its robust build, intelligent performance, and clear suitability for demanding environments, this smart outlet stands as a reliable component in the ongoing effort to make residential living both safer and more manageable. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.